Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are good, and today I'm here to actually talk about a very beautiful phrase of my life now, something that I've been experiencing, and it's so beautiful. It's so soft, peaceful, and it's so effortless, and it's the love that I'm feeling for myself, that effortless love. Like, I don't have to say any affirmation. I don't have to do any mirror work. I don't have to do these stuffs, these things, this self care, self love things, and all. But there's a inner voice. There's a faultless voice from inside. Like, I love myself. I'm worthy. I'm enough, and I have finally accepted myself fully. Like, it's so beautiful, so effortless. I feel so good now, looking at the mirror to myself, and I feel this effortless inner voice saying I'm worthy. I like, now I don't look at the mirror and I go and say these affirmations like I'm worthy. There is this inner voice, like I look at my eyes and I'm like, there is an inner voice saying I'm worthy. I don't need to actually say it through my mouth like I'm worthy. There is the inner voice already saying that I'm worthy, and it's so effortless. I'm saying the word effortless because it is really effortless. Like, it's so beautiful thing that I'm experiencing. I feel so good, and I have been in this self growth, self love journey since like 2.5 years from now. And in the starting, it was like when I said this affirmations, this mirror work, this positive self talk. It was like fake type, little. I'm pretending or I'm lying to myself. I'm faking things, and there was also time when I used to feel nothing, like is it worth it, what nonsense I'm doing, like is it worth it or not, am I just doing this little crazy stuffs, like wasting my time and all. But no, everything that I did was so worth it for this beautiful phrase, this beautiful experience that I'm feeling. This is like so beautiful, so peaceful feeling that I'm feeling love from within now, like from inner wall, not like I don't need any validation and all. Like, these things is coming. Like, I'll say you I'm very skinny, and people really comment on, you are skinny, you are thin, you should eat, and this terms. Till now, it's not like now I don't receive these things. Till now I get these things, but before, how I used to feel like, when someone says me like you're thin, you're skinny, you should eat. I really come to my room and I look at my mirror and I feel used to feel so uh, worthless. I used to see like, yes, I'm so skinny. Why I'm so skinny? I eat, but why I don't gain weight and all. But now when I get these things, like I hear these things, and I actually nothing comes in my mind. I just listen and I like, okay, I don't react to them because I feel like explaining them is just like waste of my energy, to be honest. Like, before I used to explain like I'm like this and all this, but now I feel like it's waste of time. I don't need to go and say these things to them. But now when I look at my mirror, I don't feel like this. Actually, I forget what they said and I look at myself and I feel this like I'm enough type things. And I'll say you, I actually in my first video of this channel I shared this, like this people so much put in my mind that I need to gain weight. I have really took weight gain tablets, and I really gained weight, and I gained weight like overweight. You can say little over, not so over. Like, I had this cheeks, chubby cheeks and all, and and then people were like, oh, now you look healthy, now you look beautiful and all. Then I used to come in the mirror and I used to feel happy, like, oh yeah, I'm beautiful. But that happiness also was little fake happiness, because it was because of the validation I'm getting, because people were commenting like I'm healthy, I'm beautiful now. Like, but now that I'm experiencing, what I'm experiencing is like, I don't need validation from the outer wall. My inner voice is saying like I'm beautiful. My inner voice is saying like I'm worthy. Now also I'm skinny. It's not like I'm not working on my body. I go to the gym, I eat this nourishing healthy weight gain foods, like not like previously those tablets and all, but healthy weight gain foods and all. And I'm gaining weight slowly, but it's not like the rush, and it's not for the outer wall, it's for my own healthy, like for my own body. And I wanted to share this thing because I wanted you to know that if you are in the starting phase of self love and self growth journey, and if people comment these things like some people may be like fat and chubby, and they may listen like you are so chubby, you should lose weight and all. So people have so many opinions, like and so if you are in this journey, and if you are in any phase like starting phase, middle phase, I just want to say that everything that you are doing will is so worth it, that one day a time will come when you will feel like it was worth it. Like I'm feeling now. I really feel like everything, every affirmation, journaling, this mirror talk, positive talks, and all these boundaries I set for myself is just was so worth it. Like I could feel it now, and it's been like 8-9 days, not more days, 8-9 days. I'm feeling this effortless love for myself, this love from the that inner voice saying me I'm worthy, I'm enough, and I have now fully accepted myself the way I am. I'm like this, a value is coming, like I'm valuable. Like this thing is so much coming in my mind, I don't know. And I feel so good about it. And now actually I also feel more connected to the universe, and I feel like now I'm able to more go with the flow and more surrender to the universe. I don't know how this transformation actually came, but I really feel like now I'm able to surrender to the universe effortlessly. I'm again saying the word effortlessly because this surrender is also like effortless. Like before, I'll say you before like 10 days, I've been in this, I'm manifesting so many things, and I said in the last video also that I wanted to achieve some goals before 2025 ends, and I used to pressure myself, even in sickness, like to do all this journaling, this scripting, this affirmations, like this visualizations, and all. I used to pressure myself, like to do these things because I have to go to my desires, to my things that I'm manifesting. But now I feel like I don't need to do anything. My job is done. Whatever I had to do, I had done, and I feel like now I just need to surrender to the universe. And to be honest, I feel like these desires that I'm manifesting are so close to me. I feel like I just need to open the door and they will just come. I I just feel like that, and I feel I don't need to do anything. I just need to surrender it to the universe. Before I was like, I was surrendering it to the universe. I was keeping trust and faith. It was not like I was not trusting the universe, but in middle, sometimes this desperateness comes, this impatience comes. But now it's not been so many days. Also, it's 8-9 days. But now I feel there is a difference in the surrender. There is like effortless surrender. I'm saying the word again and again, but I really feel like that, and I feel like universe is guiding me. I'm looking more signs, you can say synchronicities. I'm saying the word correctly maybe, and these things I'm feeling so much that and that's the reason I'm feeling so close to my desires, and I feel like it's just so near. I just need to be open, and they'll come to me. And yeah, I feel like I'm so in this higher version of myself. Yes, that's the thing also I wanted to say. And from now when I look this girl, this old Nibeta, like 3 years, 2 3 years before, and now I see, when I see myself, I'm like a completely different version, and I feel so good. I'm not like shameful for that old version, because I really realized that these experiences, these situations, these things that I did, these relationships that came were so worth it to. Because these are the things that really guided me towards this version, like this version, because I would have never understood like what I wanted in my life, what I wanted to do, because these things gave me a clarity. You can say I am not shameful of any of the things, and of my past self. You can say I'm not shameful for my past self. I really knew that she did all these times because she didn't knew what to do. She used to hurt herself because she had no options, like what she can do more. But I give her love, but I also feel good that I'm in a completely different version now. And Yeah, that's it, what I wanted to share today actually. And I wanted that this story of mine will really inspire you to not quit. Please don't quit, my girls, please don't quit. Be consistent with your, be consistent in this journey, and there will come this time when you will come to know that all these things that you have been doing were so worth it. And that's the reason I wanted to make this video. So yeah, my girls, that's it. Love you all. Bye bye.